In this video, I'll show you how you can get your webhook secret. So it's very simple. All you need to do is go to Stripe and in the search bar type webhook. Then choose webhooks. From here you will see your all available webhooks. If you don't have one like me, you can just click on add destination. So click on it. And from here we can create our webhook. So now choose your account or connected accounts. So choose which account this destination listens to. So you can choose your account. Then API version, you can keep this default as it is. And then from here, you can choose events. So event is something like when something happened in Stripe account. So Stripe will send you a message about it. So this is called event. And Webhook listens to these events. So think of it like notifications about important actions. So for example, let's say if I choose a charge, and from here if I choose charge refunded, I'm gonna select it. Stripe will tell you you refunded your customer. You can choose whatever you want from here. You can scroll through it. So you can select all checkout events. So checkout session completed. This tells you checkout session has been finished and user paid. So once you select your events, click on continue. Then you can choose destination type. So Webhook endpoint or Amazon event bridge. So I'm gonna choose Webhook endpoint and click continue. From here you can choose your destination name, then endpoint URL. So I'm gonna paste my site. You can add a description. So I'm gonna, for example, type something and then click on create a destination. And from here, this is your webhook secret, this signing secret. So click on reveal secret and you can copy it from here, or you can roll secret. So this will generate your new secret key. You need to click on like immediately and expire secret. And now this is your new secret key, webhook. So this is how you can get your webhook secret in Stripe. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.